In fact, did I ever tell you say I go school? I never tell anybody say I go school. This English where they speak now, I just learn am from the street. That's all. And anywhere you see me speaking English, I'm just trying to communicate with my other fans. I mean the people who doesn't understand my own language. I act in Hausa language, sing in Hausa language. Then why people would they measure my own intelligence with English language? I'm successful, that's all. That's what I know. Be on your own. Make I be on my own, I beg. Haba. This is not good though. It's not good. People who talk say that them sabi English, go and correct their own English. I not sabi am at all. I don't know how to speak English. I don't know how to write in English. Please, I dey beg you. Haba.